Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to the Computer Coach. Hope you are all fine and feeling well. Well, in this lesson, we're gonna talk about pop-up menu new. So be with me. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Okay. So here in the new, here what we have new things here. New means new. So here we have a new folder, new shortcut, new Microsoft Access or things here. Okay. So these are new. This is super easy, not difficult. So the first thing here is creating folder. What is folder? Whenever you want to create a folder, okay, so right click, come to the new, and here we can create a new folder here. This is the first way, but the easiest way to create folder is by shortcut, and the shortcut is Control Alt N. It's the shortcut for creating a folder. Control Shift N. So always remember the shortcut and not to go to the new pop-up menu as you wish. And the second thing we have in the new is right click, come to the new. Here we have got shortcut. But before the shortcut, here I want to talk about the rename. Whenever we right click on a file, here we have a rename any file. So I right click on this one. Here we have rename. What does this rename means? For example, I have this name of the folder, new folder 2. I want to change this name and I want to give this folder a name. So I will use a name. Any file you can rename it. So the first right click, come to the more options. In here you can have the rename thing. I want to say my data. Okay. And the second easy shortcut for the rename is to select the file and F2. F2 is the shortcut. So here is like my. So this is very important. Whenever you want to change a file's name, you can change it in two ways. The first way is to right click and go show more options. Here is the rename, and the second one is to use the shortcut F2 for the rename one. And whenever you make a folder, you can rename it immediately, but these are the methods. Okay, so come to the new. Here we have got a shortcut. This is the most important thing. Whenever you don't want to go to anywhere and you want to have access to a file, okay, anytime, in this file has got very far away address and you want to make it a shortcut in the desktop, anywhere you can use it. For example, if I go to this PC and I will go local D drive, in here I have a video. I don't want to come to this PC and D drive and then here I want to make a shortcut for it. Anytime I want to get access to the folder, here I want to have it here. So what you're gonna do, right click, come to the new and shortcut. So here is the path. Where is that path? Okay, you're gonna come to this PC. In this PC you're gonna go to D drive. In D drive, that is a video folder. So here is a videos. Okay, so we have the address now and next. Again, it's the name of the folder. Yeah. So here we have the videos. So what is this? Is not a new folder. This is a shortcut for that video folder. So for example, when I click this is directly open that window or that folder for me. And if we see the path, here we come to this PC, local disk D, and videos. So you can use shortcut to make it's a shortcut way, you know. For you understand, mashallah, so intelligent. We use a shortcut for many purposes, and I will have a video on it. And we have here a Microsoft Access database, Microsoft Word. These are the Microsoft Office programs. We're gonna talk about this later, but if you are familiarized with them, you can open the Microsoft Word without any search, without anything else. Come to the new and you can open documents, Excel sheet, anything else. And here we have got a bitmap image. What is bitmap image? It's like it's paint. Whenever you want to have a bitmap image, and click it, open. you're gonna straight away go to the paint here, and you can draw things here. You can have a color for it, anything. For example, when I choose, you can have color, you can anything. It's used mostly for drawing or making things, you know, from shapes, or we have text, you know, for designing. For example, you can use it anytime. So here, or if you don't want to use the bitmap, you can go and say paint, and you can directly go to the paint without the bitmap. But this is the shortcut for the paint. More, if I come to the new here, I have the WinRAR. We use WinRAR most of the time for the data that we want to secure. Okay, we want to, like, the personal data, or most we use it for softwares in order to not to be corrupted. We use the WinRAR. Okay, and here we have text document. What is this text document? Text document is a notepad. So I want a notepad here, so click it. Anytime you can have a notepad with yourself. In here you can write anything else. And if you don't want to have the text document, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and say notepad. So here is the notepad, and it's gonna be open for you directly. So guys, this was new. This, like, we studied the folder. We can make a folder, and the the shortcut for creating a folder is Control-Shift-N, and we have got we have a shortcut to make a way short for yourself, and these are the documents and anything else new you want to hear. This is the new. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for my next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.